Welcome! In front of me I have X-WATCH Joli XW Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after we stop using our watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face, and now you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see the settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called screen time and tap on it. And here we can adjust the screen timeout duration by tapping on the plus or minus button. Set the duration to the time you like, for example 15 seconds, and then press the side button to go back to watch face. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 15 seconds of an activity. So we can wait a couple more seconds and it should turn off right about now. Yeah, like this. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.